This challenge is all about calculating speed, but listen carefully, it's a bit of a trick question. With the new 20 miles per hour zones now in place, Rivka's journey to work takes longer than it used to. Now, she can drive only half the distance at 30 miles per hour, while the other half is at the reduced speed limit of 20 miles per hour. What is Rivka's average speed over the whole journey to work and back home? Explain your answer. How far is the journey? Do we know that? We don't have that, yeah.
The answer isn't as easy as it first seems.
Half of the journey going at 30, half of the journey going at 20, right, okay.
It helps to know that speed equals distance divided by time.
We don't know how long the journey takes or how far it is, so you might have to invent a value.
So we don't know the overall distance, but we know that something happens halfway.
Good luck and try your best.
In this challenge, we had to calculate the average speed of Rivka's journey. Did you work it out? This problem is sometimes considered a trick question. The obvious answer of adding 30 and 20 together and then dividing by 2 to get 25 miles per hour is actually wrong. The first thing we have to consider is the formula we use to calculate speed. The average speed is equal to the total distance divided by the total time of the journey. This problem can only be solved by using the distance between Rivka's home and her workplace and calculating the time taken for the parts of the journey travelled at 30 miles per hour and the parts of the journey travelled at 20 miles per hour separately, and then combining them together. That distance is not stated, and yet strangely, it doesn't affect the answer. Since any distance will do, let's say it's exactly 20 miles between Rivka's home and her work and back again, so that she does 10 miles at 30 miles per hour and 10 miles at 20 miles per hour. The time taken to travel 10 miles at 30 miles per hour is 1/3 of an hour, which is 20 minutes. The time taken to travel 10 miles at 20 miles per hour is half an hour, which is 30 minutes. So overall, Rivka has travelled 20 miles in 50 minutes, which is the same average speed as 4 miles in 10 minutes, or 24 miles per hour. So 240 divided by 10 gives you 24 miles per hour. Lovely, Anna, that's good. If you're not convinced that the answer is the same, regardless of the distance Rivka drives, try some other distances to her workplace, such as 6 miles or 10 miles. This was a tough problem to solve. Did you figure it out?